Hi everyone! In this video I will show you the basic layout structure, what it consists of and how to create it. Let's start with the elements that hold the whole website together, rows and columns. The row is the base that divides the website into logical blocks. Each row consists of columns and you can control the number of columns within a row. For example, 1 column or 2 if you want to have your content side by side. So as you can guess, columns are used to hold the content elements. There are a couple of ways to add elements including rows to your page. First, you can click on the quick add options here and it will add a row. The quick add option always is available at the bottom of the page. Here you can choose multiple options. Upon adding a row to your layout, it will automatically contain column element in the full width of the row, by the way. The second way to add a row element is clicking on the big plus here and locating the row element and just dragging it to the desired area or just by clicking on it. As you see, that opens the row edit window. You can also access the row layout window through the element by hovering over the row icon and clicking on row layout. As you can see, you can choose one of the default row layouts, for example 2 columns or 3. You can also customize layout by typing in custom values. There is also the awesome option to change the column width proportions without even opening the edit window, by just dragging the space between the columns. That's really helpful sometimes. So let's stick to 2 columns for now and move on to the fun part, adding the elements. As I mentioned before, you can add elements in multiple ways. So I'm going to add an image on the side by clicking on the plus icon, and I'm going to drag a text block onto the second column. Remember that you can go even further and add multiple elements into one column, like a button for example. You can even insert row and column elements into one another for the creation of really complex layouts. You can also easily change the location of any element just by dragging it to a different column. There are a lot of options for you from this point on. You can create complex layouts or just choose our pre-made content elements to help you out. Let me show you another cool feature. It's row stretching. You can adjust the width of a row very easily. Let's use this beautiful layout to demonstrate. First, we have to open the general settings and you can see the row width options. It is boxed, stretched row and column. For a row that has one full width column, both stretched options will expand the row to match the page width. Here, where we have multiple columns, we are going to stretch the row and column and use the remove spaces toggle to stretch it fully. And that is all you have to know about the basic layout structure. Thank you and enjoy!